In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Google Sites. This step-by-step guide will ensure you can craft an effective login interface seamlessly. First up, let's head over to Google Forms. This is where the magic begins. Open your browser and navigate to Google Forms. Now click on the option to create a blank form. This will provide us with a clean slate to customize our form tailored to our login requirements. Next, you'll want to name your form. Simply click on the title section at the top left and type in Login. This clear heading will help you distinguish this form in the future. Once our form is titled, let's customize the question field. It's time to change the default question to password. It's essential for setting up a login page as it indicates to users what information is required. In the answer options that appear under your question, select multiple choice. However, for a login form, a short answer is necessary. So click on short answer from the drop down menu. This is crucial because we want users to input concise and specific information. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty details. Click on the three small dots on the bottom right. This opens up additional settings for the question. From this menu, choose response validation. This feature ensures that responses meet particular criteria, enhancing the security of your login page. Moving forward, you'll want each user to provide an answer, so click Required. This step ensures that the form cannot be submitted without the necessary information being entered. Having set the groundwork, let's refine our elements further. Click on Number in the settings. This setting doesn't apply to passwords, so make sure to switch that back to allow text entries by selecting Text. Next, type the password you wish to use for logging in. Be cautious and choose a secure password. Following this, craft a custom error message. This message will appear if someone attempts to log in with the wrong password, providing guidance or prompting another try. Almost there. Click on Settings in the form editor and then Presentation. This area allows us to customize what users see after they interact with our form. Locate the confirmation message section and click to edit it. Type in a message that users will see upon successful login, such as "Welcome back." Once satisfied with your form settings, click Publish. You'll need to click on Publish again to finalize it, ensuring your form is live and accessible. Switching over to Google Sites, click Pages, and then on the plus icon to create a new page. Title it something relevant like Members Login. On your new page, go ahead and select Insert followed by Forms. Locate and select the form we just created, and then confirm by clicking Insert. Congratulations, you've now linked your login form to a Google site page. With this accessible setup, users can seamlessly log in, navigating through your site with ease. Keep practicing and refining, and you'll become a master at crafting customized digital spaces in no time. Thanks for watching.